happy holidays. 'Tis the season. So today, in honor of the holidays,
with a portion of this video
sponsored by my friends over at Biossance. How good does my skin look? I'm gonna show you guys some quick, easy, holiday themed DIYs that literally anyone can do. Today we are playing house. Get your aesthetics ready. By the way, yeah, I am in my literally completely empty house. There is nothing in here. Iconic, but that doesn't matter. Semi-surprise, I'm actually gonna decorate for Christmas. I'll show you guys that later, but first, we're gonna do a little get ready with me and show you my outfit because we actually, despite the fact that I'm not wearing shoes, look very cute. Flash backwards to earlier this morning. Are you ready? Good morning. It is bright and early. Obviously, we have to DIY ourselves and get ready for the holiday party spirit. So, quick get ready with me. Here we go.
Shout out to my friends over at Biossance for sponsoring this portion of the video. They have one of the best moisturizers I've literally ever used. You can see them all right here, but an up close personal look at it. This is the Omega Repair Cream with vegan squalane.
You can see it's like so thick and creamy. It feels so good on your skin. Oh my God.
It's a rich hydrating moisturizer with lipids and ceramides that visibly plumps and improves the appearance of fine lines.
You know, when I wake up this early, I don't want to like get fully ready. Hence I have no eyebrows drawn on yet, but
I still want to be all baby soft and pretty, and this doesn't leave a greasy afterfeel and keeps me moisturized all day long.
Like, look at that. Do you see any wrinkles? No. Plus vegan and cruelty free, we love that. Even in LA, the winter early mornings are like kind of crispy outside, so I like to stay moist and pretty and supple. How's that for a vocabulary word? Gorgeous, darling. So shout out to Biossance for sponsoring this part of the video. If you guys want to twin with me and try it yourself, the link is below. Shop at biossance.com. I love ya. Thanks for keeping me baby soft. Now that skin's on fleek, oh, let's get the rest of us ready. What in the heck am I gonna wear? I did not pre-plan this. Oh my God, we are so cute. Switching it up with a black Santa hat, you know, just for a little bit of extra sassy zest. We got some black gloves, fun little skirt, black tights, very festive, and oh my God, the most festive of all, little bow shoes. Don't ask me what I'm getting you for Christmas. I'm your present. So this is what we're gonna wear for our little rendezvous, and all right, here we go. Let's get started. Welcome to my kitchen. I can't wait to renovate this, but for now, it is what it is. So, this one is so easy. All you need are a few simple ingredients.
All you need for this are some plain basic glasses. So I took some, obviously, glasses. Then you need a little lemon wedge. Go ahead and just kind of rub that on the sides and then dip it in some coconut powder. The coconut powder is gonna make it look all nice and fluffy. Like, oh my gosh, look how cute. We are basically a licensed bartender. Take some cranberries, just plop those in the bottom like that. Grab some little toothpick skewers, put some cranberries on there, and dip those in little coconut flakes so it looks like it snowed. Pour some sparkling cider or whatever you'd like into the glasses.
This is all about the aesthetics, so no real recipes, just vibes. You know my specialty. Fake it till you make it, haha.
Rest the little skewers on top like so. And oh my goodness! The cutest little party favors ever. It's sure to be a smash hit, not to mention will look fantastic in pictures. Like, look at how fancy they are. The aesthetics are on fire.
That's it, it's really that easy. Next,
we are going to make a festive little tart cheesecake thing. Got a store-bought cheesecake, some of this, some cranberries, some chocolate chips, you know, all the good jazz to kind of decorate it. So for this, super easy. Literally all we're gonna do is straight up decorate it. So we're gonna go ahead and take the cranberries, make those a little wet so the coconut sticks to them, and then we're just gonna go ahead and kind of plop them onto the cheesecake. Some with snow, some without snow. Add a couple of little white chocolate chips on there, sprinkle that on. Take some of this seasoning, rip it into little tiny pieces and put that on, and then it looks like there's pieces of Christmas tree on it. So cute. I actually got some pine cones at the bakery. I don't know if you're allowed to eat these. I don't think you are, but we're gonna use them as decor anyway because they're cute. So plop those on there, and oh my goodness, look at this cute little festive cheesecake. Literally so adorable, and I didn't have to cook anything.
now that's how it's done. No one will ever know. So sneaky. Hostess with the mostess.
Put that on the little tray with the drinks. Oh my gosh. Vibes.
This is so cute.
So pretty. I should really have a party. This is sad that I'm just like alone in here. Probably actually bring these down to the front desk people. Okay. Anyways, I actually did this one last night just to get the photos with the nightfall, but here's some cute little peppermint drinks.
How freaking gorgeous is the night view, by the way? Oh my God, it's glorious. This is just the view out of my kitchen. Okay, anyways, so back inside for a sec.
So for this, I took these two little garland type thingies. I just went ahead and laid those on a marble Lazy Susan just for, you know, the vibes, to take some photos. So for this, we have a bunch of peppermint thingies. We got some candy canes, we got some peppermint sticks, and all sorts of fun stuff. So for this, we're gonna take the glass and then we're gonna get to have a nice little fun squishing session. This is super fun, by the way. Let out all your rage. You can take the candy canes, put those in a little plastic baggie, smush those up until they're all crushed, and then we're gonna use those to decorate the outside rim of the glass. So just go ahead and rub some lemon on that, put that in there, and voila, they will be all nice and beautiful and pretty like that. So once you have that, literally just go ahead and pour your drink of choice in there and some weighted red syrup to go at the bottom to give it kind of that aesthetic vibe. And then I literally just went ahead and put these little peppermint candies on top, and so cute. I actually left them out overnight, so here they are in the day. They last all evening, but yeah, super pretty. You can see that's just like a nice little aesthetic treat.
It's gonna be a lot prettier when this is not this anymore, but alas, I digress.
Cheers! It actually smells really good. And now we're gonna make some hot chocolate because, well, A, that's my favorite, and B, that is very, very Instagrammy. Sit by the fire, sip some hot cocoa with the one you love. Take 1,000 photos of it. You know, the Christmas classics.
All right, so for the hot chocolate, we have all sorts of fun stuff. We have a bunch of, well, chocolates and also sorts of fun shapes, some snowflake-shaped marshmallows, some peppermint patties, all sorts of cool shenanigans. It's like a charcuterie board, except for hot chocolate. So we got a bunch of really cute chocolates. We got some peppermint. We got these little glass mugs. And how fun are these? Peppermint-shaped chocolate. Adorable.
So festive and delicious.
So we're gonna do a pepperminty hot chocolate and a hot chocolatey hot chocolate. So one of them we're gonna put the little coconut snow on, and the other one we're gonna put the peppermint snow on. Go ahead and squirt some dark syrup in there just for fun. Add in the hot chocolate, and then basically we're just gonna add a bunch of whipped cream because that's gonna make everything look good, and then we're just gonna stick stuff in it. So go nuts, put some sticks in there, put some chocolates in there, put some sprinkles on there, put some peppermints on there. Just literally put a bunch of stuff on it until it just looks so chaotic it almost looks like it was on purpose.
I need to stop eating these. I'm gonna run out by the time I do the DIY with them, but anyways, next thing. So classy. Okay. Can you believe I went to etiquette school? Hilarious. Okay. Anyways.
Like I said, more is more. Extra, extra. Read all about it. And then, oh my gosh, look at these. These are so dramatic. Wow, look at that. So fun. And this was literally so easy. You just kind of make a mess and then it looks good. My favorite kind of aesthetic.
The whipped cream's melting, but that's because it's 90 degrees in Los Angeles. Why are you so hot? But still.
And that's that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hot chocolate squeezy. Or whatever.
And there you have it, you guys. That was my quick little easy DIYs for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. All my socials at Amber Scholl. Love you, and my depth perception sucks. I gotta decorate the walls. Kisses till next time. XO. Well, you know, I'll clean this up later.